How to add your business in Google Maps. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Maps on a device. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on Contribute. Now simply tap on Add Place. Now wait for some time. Now tap on Is this your business? Now wait for some time. Now enter the business name. Now select the business category. Now tap on Next. Now click on Yes and tap on Next. Now enter the business address. Now tap on Next. Now select none of these and tap on Next. Now tap on Adjust. Now select your location and tap on Next. Now choose your option and tap on Next. Now enter the phone number and tap on Next. If you want to skip, simply tap on Skip. Now select your option and tap on Next. Now once you complete the profile, you can add your business onto your Google Maps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.